Welcome, and let's talk about Tectonic token. Of course, we are preparing for the biggest pump in Tectonic token. Now, what is the worth of 500 million coins of Tectonic in 2025? Remember, many people have been expecting Tectonic to massively increase in price or delete some zeros before the end of 2025. Now, with a $65 investment, you can buy 500 million coins of Tectonic. Now, remember, before 2025, we are expecting Tectonic to delete 1 or 2 zeros. And if Tectonic goes ahead and delete 1 zero, your $65 investments will be worth about $650. Okay, now if Tectonic goes ahead and deletes 2 zeros before the end of 2025, then our $65 investment will be worth about $6,400. To me, that is a lot of worth profit. It simply means you must have earned about over $6,500 deleting just 2 zeros before the end of 2025. That simply means what we need right now is patience. Yes, Tectonic can delete 2 zeros, Tectonic can delete 3 zeros. Even if Tectonic deletes 1 zero, of course, we still make good profit, because that is about almost $590 profit, and that can even come to pass before the end of next year. But by 2025, of course, many holders, many traders are expecting to wait for Tectonic to actually delete at least 1 or 2 zeros before the end of 2025. What we need right now is patience, and Tectonic is actually going to Tectonic is going to burn a lot of Tectonic tokens for the end, and we are expecting a massive increase in price before the end of 2025. Remember, this video is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision. I also know you can invest what you can afford to lose, so never invest what you cannot afford to lose. So with the 500 million coins of Tectonic in 2025, we are expecting to make between $4,000 down to $6,000 profit, and to me, that is a lot of profit, a lot of gain with Tectonic token.